can now do so many things remotely, from retail shopping to doctor visits. What if you could remotely diagnose an internet router problem or other serial diagnostics with service equipment, remotely, without sending a technician, and in many cases repair the issue from anywhere in the world? That's exactly what Donovan from Consolidated Smart Systems is doing with a Surefire serial data bridge from an HOA 8.5 miles away to the Shaw Butte Repeater Ridge in the Phoenix Basin.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're logging into a Raspberry Pi remotely, which we then have connected to a serial data bridge that we have wirelessly to another serial data bridge that gives us console access to a router remotely. And then also able to check the status of the power of the remote serial data bridge to see if it's running on battery power or house power. And what we built is this box here for the tower side, where we have power and Ethernet coming up the Cat5 to the box and a PoE in the box stripping power and putting internet to the Raspberry Pi computer. 12 to 5 volt converter to power the Raspberry Pi, and then this also powers 12 volt wall power to the Surefire device and battery backup to the Surefire device. So you type your commands in your computer, Raspberry Pi comes in RS-232 to the Surefire serial data bridge, wireless to the remote side serial data bridge, and then it comes down the Cat5 into an adapter made to give console access to a router at a remote location, which then lets us, or makes it to where we don't have to wake a technician up at 2 o'clock in the morning to see if the power's out at a property, if we have to change programming on a router at a remote site. So the installation of the Surefire serial data bridges is now set up at approximately 8.5 miles apart from a mountaintop to a remote location. We now have it set up and communicating, and we're able to type simple commands and not have to have a truck physically on site at that device to look at the status on interfaces on the device, check the configuration of the device, any other number of things you would need to roll an actual truck to see the status on a router or a switch in a remote location. I type the command, it spits everything back, same as I would if I were actually on site, consoled into the piece of equipment. A lot faster than rolling a truck at 3:30 in the morning. And there you have it. That shows the status of all of the interfaces on that device I'm consoled into remotely.
Another great solution from Surefire.